Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Santa. It's another version of Santa. There are many versions of Santa. This is just another one. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. I'm going to walk you through all the way, okay? So it's going to be, excuse me, it's just going to be Santa's head. So very, very simple. And that's it. Let's get started. Before that, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. When you subscribe, you're not just subscribing for this year, you're also subscribing for next year. So next year when Christmas starts rolling around and you haven't thought about it or anything like that, you're just going to start seeing Christmas videos on your feed. Same thing goes for Halloween, and we are a seasonal channel. So let's get going, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the eyebrows right here of Santa. This looks like a French fry for the most part. Over here as well. Line over here. Across, kind of connecting them. Line around the corner here for the hat. Line over here for the hat. And I'm going to draw, like, obviously, I'm going to do that right now, like a long line across. Like so. All right. I'm going to go over here and draw one eye shape right underneath the eyebrow. One eye shape over here. Fill in half of it. Fill in half of it. Line down. Line down. Curve over here, or a circle. Up, across, down here for the top of that hat. Line up. Let's go over here to the outer edge. Out. Out for the beard. Down. Down, almost like you're drawing like a TV set or something, or a loaf of bread. And curve underneath all the way. Let's go over here for the mustache part. Curve up. Go over here on this side. Same thing. It looks like a large droplet, really. Line up here. Line up here. Go over here to the hat area. I'm going to pull out, line over here. And circle. Right on. Mouth open here. Bump, bump for the tongue in his mouth, and I'm going to fill in the top shape right there because that's inside his mouth. Doing good. Okay, let's add a little bit of color. I'm going to use the red over here. You can use a marker crayon or a colored pencil. I'm going to use a marker just because it's a lot faster on, as far as for all this stuff goes. It is a lot faster for demonstration. I'm using a Prismacolor marker. I'll put the link in the description if you want to pick it up. I think they're the best markers. This and I believe this and Prismacolor are the best. So the Prismacolor and the Copic, yeah. Gonna fill it in relatively flat. I love Christmas, by the way. Let me know if you have any favorite Christmas tradition. For us, I mean, it's really just a family gathering for us. That's mostly our tradition. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna put like a peach kind of for his skin. Let's see. Go over here. And like when I'm coloring this, I'm just kind of, again, thinking about it as a flat color. Nothing too wild, nothing too extravagant, just regular, chill, flat colors. I'm going to go over here now to the tongue. I'm going to find like a pink for the tongue. Filling that in. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the light blue, and that one I am going to use a what is it called, a Prismacolor on that one. For that, I'm going to use the light blue here. So for the light blue, I'm going to put it along the edges of everything white, like so. Maybe the bottom edges, just like the right, left, and bottom. Pulling a line over here, curve up, line across, line down, line underneath, line underneath, curve here. I mean, I'm mostly just following the edge. And it gives it like more dimension. I don't know why. The light blue just kind of really makes things a lot more dimensional, and it just really just makes it a lot better looking. You know, I am going to put the top here of the brim of the hat. Right there. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the same thing for the top of the edges of the mustache. All right. I'm going to actually. I forgot something here. I'm gonna draw a line underneath here. I'm gonna wait till it dries for a second, and then I'm gonna do this as well. I want to thank you very much for following. Hit the like button if you did like this tutorial. Also hit the subscribe. When you subscribe, it helps the channel out immensely. I'm sorry, not subscribe. Hit the share. Subscribe would be great too. But when you share, it really affects the channel in this amazing way. So please, please hit that share button. It takes 2 seconds. Hit the share button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then share it to any social media platform you're already logged into. Twitter, Reddit, anything. And what that does is it pulls people in, and it brings in a lot of cool people. So I absolutely love that. Please hit that if you did enjoy the video. It helps so much for the season. Thank you. I will see you later, and happy holidays, okay? Merry Christmas.